This is a 1,000 piece puzzle by Galison that I bought at Ace Hardware store in San Ramon, California. This is a teacup collection, and this is a photo-based puzzle. And it's a beautiful puzzle. I will give it 10 out of, I would give it about a 7 because it's kind of difficult to do due to because it's a photo. It's kind of hard to see the image. And I believe it's the 2 boxes and a photo. And the hard part was doing the handles. The cup was kind of easy to figure out, but the handle was the hard part.